Chat offered me $10 per win and $10 per checkmate in 5 one-minute games. We got the queen, folks. We're going to play 5 one-minute games from the pool. FIDE Master David Bassett challenged us. $10 for each win, $10 for every checkmate I deliver. Just move. It wants to go here anyway. Just wants it to happen anyway. Okay. Bring a rook. Bring a rook. What do you do? Brings a queen. Okay. Takes. Okay. And bring a rook. Improve a rook. Oh, I had a fork. I didn't see it. I didn't see it! I'm on the knight, though. I think he had knight here. No, he didn't. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. Queen takes. Give it to me! I earned that. That guy resigned, man. That was an extra 10 bucks if he didn't resign. I thought that was the whole challenge. It wasn't. New 1 minute. Let's go. Move fast. I'm just better. So just move faster. Just move faster. Should push. He should have pushed. Oh man, I had bishop. I had it, guys. I had it. I had this square with the fork. Got him! Got him. 15 seconds on the clock. 8 seconds for him. Crushing my opponent on the time and on the board. Checkmate! By the way, if you see a checkmate I missed, call it out. If you're new to the stream, hit the sub button, hit the like button, hit the follow button. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Faster, faster, faster. I'm better. I'm just better. I'm better. Huh? I should develop. I already had this, I think. No, I didn't. Okay. Break him, right? Just break him. He wins a pawn. Okay. I guess here, hit this pawn. I don't know what to do. Not best. That's a good diagonal. He has a fork. I didn't see it. What do you do? Okay, good, good, good. Bring a rook. Which rook? This rook. I should just take that. There's no threats, right? Oh, there's lots of threats. I didn't see it. Do I have any check? How do I stop the mate? Oh, this way. I didn't see it. Threading mate, so we gotta take. Remove the defender. I like to play defender. Check. Blocking. You got nothing now. Got him on the clock. 1 second. I'm a freaking beast. I never play 1 minute. Last time I played was for the money, guys. Okay, maybe I play sometimes on lead chess. I still had no idea this challenge was about to change. You got the piece back. Queen back. Bring a rook. Take the queen. Threat. Bring a rook. Okay, here first. No! Doing so good. I was doing so good! Probably protect this thing. Aha! Crushing me. He crushed me. He crushed me. He crushed me. He crushed my time on the board. I think that's 4 games, right? My heart is pumping. Dude, I need coffee. We need coffee, folks. Oh, so perfect. Last game. Tournament starts in 12 minutes. Let's go. This is it, guys. For 4 out of 5. Let's just make it happen. Let's just move faster. Just move faster. I'm tricking him. Waiting and wait. There we go. Takes, oh no, and... Okay, now we're winning. Wait, and here we go. Now we're good. Bishop C4. At the play C6. Darn it, what do you do here? Here? Got the queen! We got the queen, folks! I trapped this queen for the money! Takes. He got pawns and a piece for it, right? It's gonna be actually like a rook and 2 or 3 pawns or something. It's something. He can't believe it. He's like... I think I probably take that because I'm on the knight. Okay, he does that, so now we'll come here. There's no way! We're getting YouTube subs. I want to check. He resigned. What a quitter! He freaking resigned. What? Bill Stevens? Guys, Bill Stevens says because it's Christmas, I'll match David's challenge. What are you guys doing right now? Branson with the $50 Venmo just because he says Merry Christmas. FIDE Master David Bassett gives me a cash challenge where I win 50 bucks. 40 for 4 wins and $10 for the checkmate. And then Bill Stevens says, because it's Christmas, I'll match David's challenge. You guys are so kind. You guys are going to make Christmas great again. Man, if you want to see more of this stuff, just do all these little buttons, man. Like, follow, comment, subscribe, and you'll get more. Love you guys. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for being here, man. If you guys like what you see, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Press every button you can find. Press the buttons, folks. Press the buttons or the kid.